Hey YouTube, Riding Texan here. I'm going to be installing the Hogworks tour pack tail light for the King and the Chop tour pack. Anyway, it's got brake, run, turn signal. Says it doesn't fit 23 or later. It does, because they sell the adapter now. I think when they made this box they didn't sell the adapter. And this is the adapter. It is the Hogworks HW131143 part number. Yeah, looks like we got to line drill template, mark each hole, and then drill a 30-second diameter hole for the mounting of the light. Start smaller, then increase to 7/30 seconds, and then drill 1 3/4 hole diameter for the lighting harness to go through. And this is the light bar. I got it in smoke. Eventually I hope somebody makes smoke with the tail light. Okay, so let's say center this. That's kind of hard to do on a round surface. Well, maybe what I need to do is, this has got a center on it. Okay, right before the curve, 22 inches. That's gonna be difficult. Drill, baby, drill. Oh, so that's the center line. Stick. Sorry for not talking, but that'll make a person nervous and climb up, I'll guarantee you that. Alright, I'm gonna get a 3/4. Swap out for that center hole for the light connector. This will go all the way through. Okay. Now I'm going to open the tourpack. Try to get the template off. I'm going to chase the hole from the outside in because these tourpacks are pretty thick. 'Kay. All works. If you watch this video, make this template come up and hit the hinge and the latch on both sides. Make it super simple. Thank you. What I'm going to do is get it up here, get a couple started in the middle, and then work my way to the edge. Okay, got that one started. Started. Well, I finally got all the screws started. Now I'm going through and tighten them all down. Okay, well I'm going to try to match the hole on the other for this over here for that grommet. Let me check that grommet size. I know they said a 5/8. I need to go to the 5/8 depth. I'm gonna try to get as close up in there as I can. That's probably what I did over there. Five-eighths is the third step down the end. Alright, we're at 5/8. Let me do the same thing on the inside. Like I say, the hardwood tourpack pretty thick, so. I'm on the volunteer fire department. Yeah, I'm not gonna. We got 25 members. I'm not going to pull off this unless it gets bad. Just a small grass fire. Which could be bad. The humidity's down pretty low. I'll take the seat strap off. So I did a video about installing these speakers. A little follow-up. I had to get the Rockford Pause gate. 500 watt amp to make it work. Get my cat tent seat off. Like I say, these dang cats around here are about to aggravate me. I've seen some videos about cats being afraid of cucumbers. I wonder if I put a damn fake cucumber on my... See if it'll keep them at bay. Okay. Guess we better lean that saddlebag out and pull the fuse too. Gets a little warmer and we're not threatened with cold weather. I'm gonna have to take this bike out and take the seat and everything off and detail it. My Lord, my brother lives down the dirt road and I went out there to see if his Harley backrest would fit mine and Hogworks, because tourpack, and it does. So we're about to get a cold spell. It's supposed to be down like -5 wind chill. Yeah, I'm not looking forward to that. Left turn signal. Brake. Hazards. Yeah, I think it's gonna work out just fine. It's pretty bright. I like it. It's a little nerve-wracking drilling a hole in a tourpack to mount stuff. Like I say, I made a video of installing the speakers. Check that out. Should be a card right up there. Other than that, I've got a few more installs. I had to do the amp. I had to buy the Rockford Falls Gate amp, like I said, for making a 4-speaker system. That should be coming in sometime this week. Maybe this weekend I'll get a chance to put it on. We'll do an install video there. I got the custom dynamics trim lights that goes around the front vent. I'm gonna put those on while I'm in the fairing. And I think that's about all I've got planned besides putting a luggage rack on. Anyway, until next time, keep the shiny side up.